जय श्रीमन्नारायण 379th नामम from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam from 41st sloka. Om Parameswaraya Namaha. Ho Srimannarayana, Leela Vibhuti, Nitya Vibhuti is your unlimited wealth. Don't you have anyone to enjoy this wealth along with you? You have all of your parivaram included Mahalakshmi Devi, Bhudevi, Neela Devi, Ananta, Garuda, Vishwaksena. Such huge parivaram you have to enjoy your wealth to their full extent. That is how you have wealth and your wealth is enjoyed. Ho Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Parameswaraya Namaha. Om Parameswaraya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, visualizing Srimannarayana within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sri Ramachandra Swami asking Dharmabhruta about one beautiful lake from where all the divine sounds are coming out. For that, Dharmabhruta is responding back to Sri Ramachandra Swami, saying that, "Ho Rama, this lake is called as Panchapsaram. Ho Rama, Nirmitam Tapasa Munina Mandakarnina." There used to be a Muni called Mandakarni. That Mahamuni built this Panchapsara, the Tatakam, the lake, with his own power of tapasya. Ho Rama, this lake is always filled up with water. And also, Rama, that Mandakarna Mahamuni has done tapasya Desavarsha Sahasrani Vayubhaksho Jalashrayah. 10,000 years tapasya that Mahamuni, Mandakarna Mahamuni has done. He just ate only air, only Vayu as his food. He did not eat other than breathing, other than air. He did not eat anything in his tapasya. Not only that, he has stood in the water and did his such a huge, severe tapasya. Ho Rama, when Mandakarna Mahamuni has done such severe tapasya, while he is doing that, all the devatas started getting scared because they thought that asmakam kasyachit sthanam esha prardhayate munihi. Maybe this Muni, Mandakarna Muni is going to grab one of our portfolios. That is how Devatas started getting worried, and they finally decided that they have to send some Apsarasas, angels, to distract this Mahamuni from his severe tapasya. Finally, they sent Apsarasas. Very naturally, those Apsarasas came down to Mandakarna Muni and captivated him, distracted him, influenced him. And all these apsarasas ended up becoming wives of that Mandakarna Mahamuni. Rama, this Mandakarna Mahamuni, with his great power of tapasya, he built so many palaces in this water for all those apsarasas. And also because of his tapas shakti, Mandakarna Mahamuni became so young. And he started enjoying those apsarasas in these buildings which are there in this lake. Now the sounds that what we are listening is the sounds coming out of ornaments of those apsarasas. The songs which are coming out is from apsarasa when they are singing. Those are the sounds we are getting to hear. Like this, Dharmabhruta started explaining about Mandakarna Mahamuni, and Sita Rama Lakshmana, three of them started getting surprised to hear the story of Mandakarna Mahamuni. From there, Rama started getting to see here and there, and finally Rama noticed there are so many ashramas where Kusha, Chira, Parikshiptam, all the Naravastras are there, all the Darbha is there. So finally Sita Rama Lakshmana have gone to those ashramas where all the ashramas are together, and all the munis who were living over there gave a very good warm reception to Sita Rama Lakshmana, and there Sita Rama Lakshmana started living in each and every ashramam for a while. They did not lived in only one ashramam for long time. He did lived aparatra adhikam masat. Ramachandra Swami along with Sitamma and Lakshmana lived in one ashramam for 13 months. Then api ardham adhikam kvachit. In other ashramam he lived for 1 year. In other ashramam 4 months. In different ashramam 5 months. Then 6 months. 7 months in one ashramam. And in other ashramam 5 weeks. In one ashramam 3 weeks. In other ashramam 3 months. In different ashramam 8 months. Like this, in different ashramas for different duration, Sita Rama Lakshmana started living happily, and they could spend Yayuhu Samvatsara Desha. They could spend 10 years of their Aranyavasam in those different ashramas. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 41st sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Udbhavaha Kshobhano Devaha Sri Garbhaha Parameswaraha Karanam Karanam Karta Vikarta Gahano Guhaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman-Narayana. Om Parameswaraya Namaha. Om Parameswaraya Namaha. ఓం పరమేశ్వరాయ నమః.